Moving on, at number 2, we have the Vitamix S50. The Vitamix S50 would be an ideal option for everyone who is looking for a high-end personal blender that combines a powerful performance, with a durable, dishwasher-safe construction which will ensure that you will have an exceptionally convenient user experience. The S50 boasts a matte black body, with an integrated dial switch positioned at the front on the base, but you can also notice the presence of two containers, with a capacity of 20 and 40 ounces respectively, so let's explain their roles. First of all, the 20-ounce container can serve as a travel cup at the same time because it is ideal for blending single servings, while the other, 40-ounce container will suit you good especially if you want to create sauces, soups and a variety of small meals. But what both of them have in common is that they are BPA-free, and this by default means that they will never do harm to your health. Moving on, this unit comes with an interchangeable blade base that is armed with stainless steel blades which will effectively chop the ingredients that you plan to store on one side, while on the other, you will receive the proper amount of nutrients that will keep your energy to the highest levels throughout your day. I would also like to add this device has two pre-programmed settings for smoothies and power blend, plus a pulse feature, so you can use each of them depending on what you want to achieve in a particular moment. For example, the smoothies and pulse feature are self-explanatory, so I will deliver information only for the power blend, which is at the same time, the highest speed setting, and its purpose is to provide strong blending performance on the 20-ounce container. Finally, thanks to its safety interlocking system, this device performs safely, due to the fact that this system will automatically shut off the blender if the container is lifted from the base, so you shouldn't worry literally about anything. To conclude, the Vitamix S50 is worthy of considering, so give it a try and assure yourself of its quality.